Well, I just joined ALGO about 40 days ago. I've taken the courses online. I've taken the weekend live sessions that they've had, and they've been outstanding. Everything that I've learned from them is what kept me still going on this progress. So this show is actually, in this class that we're taking here, is really, I think, going to catapult us into a great position with them. The ALGO community has been great for me. They've taught me more than I've ever imagined what Amazon's really about and becoming a retailer. I buy a lot of products from Amazon, but I really never knew what it would take to sell on Amazon. And if you don't know what you're doing, ALGO is the community that shows us the exact procedures and proper way to do things online. Anyone who's thinking about joining, they should really invest their time in looking at ALGO. They've been doing it for 10 years. They know the ins and outs. They know the right way to do it. Very trustworthy company, very outgoing, full of knowledge.